Join me as I dive into the wild scenario of what would happen if a massive tsunami flooded the entire land. Can I figure out how we would survive? Imagine a wave of water so massive it cannot be stopped, sweeping across continents and reshaping the very landscape of our planet. A massive tsunami flooding the entire land is an apocalyptic scenario that's hard to even imagine. But let's explore what could happen. The impact on coastal communities would be immediate and devastating. Cities and towns along the coast would be washed away, leaving millions homeless and without access to basic necessities. Infrastructure like roads, bridges, and buildings would be destroyed, crippling the ability to respond to the disaster. The loss of life would be staggering, with entire families and communities lost in an instant. Ecosystems would also be severely disrupted, with saltwater flooding freshwater sources and destroying habitats. Tsunamis are generated by the displacement of a large volume of water, usually as a result of earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruptions. When an earthquake occurs beneath the ocean, it can push the water above it upwards, creating a series of massive waves that travel at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour. Historical examples of tsunamis include the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which killed over 230,000 people in 14 countries, and the 2011 tsunami that hit Japan, causing widespread destruction and a meltdown at the Fukushima nuclear power plant. The scale of destruction caused by tsunamis is difficult to comprehend, with waves reaching as high as 100 feet and traveling miles inland. If a tsunami were to hit a densely populated area, the chaos would be absolute. Emergency response efforts would be severely hindered by the destruction of infrastructure and the sheer number of people affected. Search and rescue teams would struggle to reach survivors, and medical aid would be scarce. The government's response would need to be swift and coordinated, with military personnel and emergency responders deployed to affected areas. Communication networks would likely be overwhelmed, making it difficult for people to contact loved ones or receive vital information. In conclusion, a massive tsunami flooding the entire land would be an unprecedented disaster with catastrophic consequences. By understanding the science behind tsunamis and being prepared, we can mitigate the risks and save lives. So, what do you think about tsunami preparedness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on natural disasters. Let's keep exploring the wild and unpredictable world we live in.